Okay, we are here to support the event, the PETDA Mega Manila event of President Sonia Madrid. So she's the current president of PETDA. Ito ang event nila for Mega Manila. Ang tawag dito? Parang PETDA Mega Manila event nila would be here in Blue Leaf sa Cosmopolitan. Sa may, anong area to, Nicole? Ngayon lang napunta sa area na to. Basta dito along Eastwood. Papunta Eastwood. Basta anyway, dito na kami.
Mga kasamahan ko dito, we have successfully held itong regional convention, one after the other. First was our North Luzon. First was our North Luzon, at ang theme nila ay Puwersang Norte. So take note of their battle cry, Puwersang Norte. Next was the Visayas, which was held in Cebu City Convention Center. Ang sinabi rin nila ay paghiusa, bagong paglaong. Next was South Luzon in Tagaytay Summit Ridge. Sama-sama, lahat kinakaya. And early this year, we had Mindanao in April sa Dusit Tani, Davao. Ang battle cry nila ay duyok sa paglambo. And of course, ang Metro Manila ngayon sa Cosmopolitan Blue Leaf, pusong Petron, pusong PETDA, ikaw at ako, iisa. So Mega Manila Regional Convention summarizes the first regional convention. That is one battle cry. That is PETDA United. PETDA United, PETDA Unity with our principal company, Petron Corporation. So very consistent po tayo. The whole day, naririnig natin yung PETDA, Petron, and PETDA dapat mag-iisa lang kayo. Okay? So ito rin yung statistics natin. With North Luzon, sila yung malay. Para pang tinulak ka sa bangin, lumipad ka dyan. At yun ang sinasabi ko, co-dealers, pag sa umpisa, talagang sasabihin mo, ang hirap mag-lead ng PETDA Dealers Association. Pero nung pinulak ka doon, ang dami palang wind beneath your wings. Ang daming supportang dumating. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako dahil nung inumpisahan namin ito, sabi ko, in my personal, ano bang gagawin ko for PETDA? What is something that I could bring to the table to make PETDA a great organization? Isa lang po yung tumatak sa utak ko noon, the PETDA brand. Pero sabi ko, paano mo gagawin yung brand? How will you develop that brand? So, lahat successively dahil sa tulong ng mga past presidents, sa tulong ng Metro Manila, we were able to conceptualize what we mean by building the PETDA brand. At ang unang pinagtunan namin ng pansin are our 100 area coordinators nationwide. They were the sole main objective to get in touch with them, recalibrate them, retool them para maging strong ang organization natin, Petron Dealers. Dahil kung aasa lang tayo sa 15 board of directors, yung bosses ng 15 directors can just be heard by few. But with our 100 coordinators nationwide, having a solid battle cry. Si Ma'am Vicky, ginawa niya lahat yan. And we have summarized ano ba ang layunin ng mga coordinators natin. Rest assured that because we invested with our coordinators, PETA Association will be future-proof to the next generation to come to be as nice. Ano ba ang maririnig nating maganda? Dear dealers, narinig na po natin lahat ang dapat nating marinig. We have a very strong brand behind us. Very solid ang support ng Petron. Maybe this is the only brand. We are the #1. So, being a dealer of Petron, yun po ang dapat nating pangalagahan, pangalagahan at pagpasalamatan dahil tayo ay kanilang mga dealers. So with that, I think we have heard what they told us. At kung extrapolate natin yon, the 24% growth on volume, alam nyo naman yung kanya-kanya yung volume dyan, so just multiply that by 24% and take a 250 average gross margin. So alam nyo kung magkano yung nadagdag sa mga profit natin and cash flow, as Ma'am Maggie said, because of the solid support of Petron. Hindi na ho ako mag-ano kasi nakita nyo naman yung seed. I will not take much of your time. Ang masasabi ko lang sa atin is let's stay solid and stay solid behind our mother, Petron. Yun lang po. And before I will end my speech, kasi ayoko nang ulitin yung mga nasabi ng lahat. I think all the good words that we need to hear from this convention is already said. Pero ito lang po yung ito yung bago ako mag-end ng speech. Alam niyo po, yung PETA, 65 years. We are celebrating 65 years. And personally, I'm so grateful with the founders of PETA dahil nakita na nila 65 years ago ano pa dapat kailangan natin as dealers to survive and to stay strong in our business. That is the Petron Dealers Association. At ngayon, 65 years na tayo, and I feel it's our obligation, each and every one of us, to make sure that PETA will be there hanggang buhay po dyan si Petron. If Petron will stay in the next 200 years, then PETA should be 200 years. At paano po yan, di ba? So ang palaging kinakampaign namin is to support your organization. Kailangan mo natin ng PETA. We cannot be where we are right now kung wala ang PETA. Kaya nakikiusap po ako, especially the young members of PETA, yung tinatawag nilang second generation, na please, when you are called to serve the organization, please, wag po tayong magdadalawang isip. It's a short stint of serving the organization, but it will ensure the life and the future of PETA in the many more years to come. Please, yun lang po ang hamon at tawag ng inyong presidente. Before I will end my speech, gusto kong magpasalamat sa napakadaming tulong na nare-receive po ng PETA. In behalf of PETA, I would like to thank everybody who have been helping this organization, talent, resources, what have you. binibigay po nila sa PETA. So, dear leaders, magpasalamat po tayo sa ating mga leaders, mga nauna sa atin, dahil sila po ang buhay ng PETA. In closing, can I ask all the PETA members to please stand? Magchat-chat lang po tayo just to make sure na talagang lahat isa sa puso natin to bago tayo umalis or bago tayo maghiwa-hiwalay sa convention. Can we ask all of those in blues, please stand up.
Papa, dealer.
Papa dealer.
Oh, naka-blue ka daw.
Okay, magchat lang po tayo.
Yan, sa tabi ka ni Papa.
We've chatting our chant yung pusong Petron, pusong PETA, tayo ay isa. This time, yung battle cry naman po ng PETA to stay together. That is, ano yung battle cry natin, BODs at coordinators?
PETA United.
PETA United.
PETA United.
Okay, pag sinabi kong PETA, sabihin nyo United. And when I say United, you say PETA. Okay, so ito yung battle cry natin, and this battle cry will stay forever with PETA. PETA United! United!
PETA!
PETA
United!
United!
PETA!
Maraming salamat po. Bago ko nakalimutan, okay. Dear dealers, your organization has been working very, very hard to